Nga ba ang branding? Okay? Maraming hindi nakakalam kaya bakit siya nagmumukhang scam? Kasi lack of knowledge. Okay? Ang branding is a result, like promises. Okay? It's a result of your services or your product na diniliver mo sa customer mismo. Okay? So, pag sinabi kong iPhone, I'm talking about the product. I'm not talking about the brand. Okay? The brand itself. I'm talking about the product because iPhone, in the word iPhone, is Apple phone. Okay? Apple is a company name. iPhone is a product. So, ano nga ba ang brand ng iPhone o ng Apple? Ang brand niyan is innovation. Kasi bawat release nila is meron silang innovation. Yun yung pinapromise nila sa customer nila. Yun yung branding na tinatawag. Okay, let's say another example like Louis Vuitton handbag. Okay, for example, bumili ka ng Louis Vuitton handbag. So, pag sinabing Louis Vuitton, you're talking about the company name. It's not about the brand. Okay, ano bang ino-offer ng Louis Vuitton? Maybe luxury or satisfaction sa customer. Ganon din sa iba pang company there. So, ang branding is a result. It's not a product, it's not your logo, it's not the color palette, it's not the company name. Branding, kung ano yung tumatak at unang naiisip ng tao pag sinabi yung product nyo o binanggit ang product nyo o kaya ang company name nyo. That is